Mishi body eyes. Mishi, where's your eyes? Eyes.
Mishi, where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Very good.
There.
Where's your nose?
Where's your nose?
Very good.
Where is your lips? Where's your lips?
Where's your lips, Mishi? Very good. Lips.
Lips. The lips.
Where's your teeth?
Teeth.
Where's your chin?
Chin.
Where is your ears?
Ear.
Where's your hair?
Here.
Where's your cheeks?
Cheek.
Where's your hand?
Hand.
Very good, Mishi. Very good. Clapping for Mishi. Okay. Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your lips? Where's your teeth? Where's your chin? Where's your cheeks? Where's your ears? Where's your head? Where's your hands? Where's your leg?
What?
Leg.
Leg?
Yes. Very good, Ishal. Very good.
Let's take Mishi on the bike ride.
Here you go. Oh, Mishi, what are you doing, Mishi? Hey, Mishi? Mishi?
I have a bouncy ball.
Mishi, what are you doing, Mishi?
But I have a bouncy ball.
Oh, wow.
I said this. Wow.
Whoa, you have to be careful.
Yeah. Whoa. Wow. I'm gonna be falling. I need to fall.
Hello, Michi. Hello, Ichu.
I'm having fun.
You're having fun, Mishi?
Oh, I don't see it here. Do you like
Okay, come on, let's see who will be first, Mishi or Ishu. Come on, let's go. Oh, Mishi is also winner.
I'm in the first.
Mishi is also winner.
Am I first?
Yes, you are first.
Yeah.
Mishi is also first, okay?
Michi is second.
Okay, Michi?
Everybody like my glasses and YouTube channel.
Yes, everybody like your glasses in YouTube channel. How do you know that? Okay, see, Mishi is calling you.
Mama. Like my channel, I love you all. Bye-bye. Do you like my glasses? Let me know in my comments. If you don't, you like my glasses. If you want glasses, take it from me. Here we go.
Okay, Mishi.
Ishal, remember my name. I love you. Bye-bye.
I love you all. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, be careful.
Bye-bye.
Let Mishi also say bye-bye. Mishi, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give a what to everyone.
Bye-bye.